So yes, hello guys. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Midshipman Bonifacio Jr. Dinamo from NS1A5, and for today's video guys, I will perform practical assessment number 3 entitled Solving for the Height of the Tide, UKC or Underkill Clearance and Squat. Okay, let's start. So okay, let's start. So the scenario is the ETA upon passing a critical place at Avon Mount with a charted sounding of 5.0 meters was 11:45 hours on 1 of January 2015. If her calculated draft upon passing was 7.0 meters, solve her UKC or the under keel clearance when passing the place. Solve for the squat produced by the ship with block coefficient of 0.85, making good knots. Solve for squat at deep and shallow meters. So ang una natin kukunin is determine the required HW and LW. So second is height of the tide, 11:45 hours. Total depth of the water, under clearance, the formula found in the squat of the vessel, and also the squat of the ship in meters in deep waters, squat of the ship in meters in shallow waters. Solve for the actual calculated draft deep water. Solve for the actual calculated draft shallow water, and the last is the required time in passing critical place, height of tide 6 meters. So ang una natin gagawin is sulat mo natin yung time. R, so 16 08 R 2309 R. So sunod naman dito is yung kanyang height. .7 meter, 3.8 meter, 10.8 meter, and also 3.6 meter. So ang tanong dito is what was 11:45. So what was 11:45 hour on 1st of January 2015. So tinatanong is noong 11:45 hours. So nasan siya, kung dito mapapasin natin, nasan siyang pagitan dito. Yung 11:45 hours nasan yung pagitan. So nandito sa dalawa na to. So kukunin natin siya. 10:31 hour. Then isisingit natin yung 11:45 hour at yung kanyang 16:08 hour. So same lang din dun sa kabila, 3.8 meters. So since nilagay lang natin yung 11:45 hours is missing pa rin siya, letter X pa rin siya. Next is 10.0. So first is solve natin tong dalawa na to. Solve this. So the answer is, using your calculator, 1.23. Tapos ito naman dalawa, using your calculator, ang sagot niya is 5.62. Then sa kabila naman, so dito syempre x siya. Then dito naman is ang kanyang answer is 7. So move tayo. So ang gagawin natin is 1.23, then lagyan natin dito yung x, 5.62, taas lang natin, and then 7. So ito ang gagawin natin is time natin to dito, lagyan natin ng arrow dito para lalo natin maintindihan. So the answer is ito muna. So 5.62, then x is equal to 8.61. So hindi naman natin siya pwedeng i-times ng ganyan. So ang gagawin natin is x is equal to 8.61 divided by 5.62. So the answer is 1.53. So ididiretso natin 3.8. So plus natin 3.8 dito siya. So it is equals to 5.33 meters. So ito na yung magiging nating 11:45 hour height of the water. So 5.0. So yung 5.0 is the charted sounding which is given. So para makuha natin yung TWD or the TDW, so add lang natin 10.33. So ito na yung magiging TDW niya. So sunod naman natin is number 4 na tayo. Paano ba kunin yung underkill clearance? So dagdag natin yung kanyang draft which is given 3.3 ang kanyang UKC or underkill clearance. So number 5 natin is the formula of finding squat of the vessel. So hinahanap lang dito is yung formula. So first formula is in squat meters at open deep waters. Squat in meters at open deep waters. waters. So, ito ay yung kanyang formula. B C X speed over 100. So, yung number 2 naman niya is squat in and close waters or shallow waters. So, ang kanyang formula is squat in open waters times 2. So, ito yung kanyang magiging formula. So, nakuha natin yung formula. Ngayon naman is ang tanong dito is number 6, squat of the ship in meters in deep water. So, hinahanap naman natin is yung deep water. So, gagamitin natin yung unang formula. So, hindi masyadong kita. Open parenthesis 0.8 or 0.85. So, saan nanggaling yung 0.85? So, yung 0.85 is given times 10 over 100. So, ang sagot dito is 0.85. Then 7.0. So, yung 7.0 is yung calculated draft in deep water. So, given din siya. 0.85. So, ang magiging answer niya is 7.85. So, nakuha na natin yung squat of the ship meters in deep water. So, sunod tayo sa number 7. So, ang gagamitin naman nating formula is yung number 2, which is a meter in shallow water. So, 0.85 times 2 is equal to 1.70. Then, 1.70 plus 7.0 is equal to 8.70 or 8.7. So, yun yung number 7 na hinanap. Squat of the ship in meters in shallow water. So, next naman natin is yung kanyang solve for the calculated draft deep water. So, ito nakuha na natin yung kanyang calculated drift draft. So, ito yung kanyang magiging squat meters in deep water. Then, ito yung magiging calculated draft in deep waters, which is yan yung question sa number 6. So, number 6 kasi number 6 and question number 8. So, sa question number 7 naman is the squat of the shape meters in shallow water. So, ito yung kanyang hinahanap. Squat meters in shallow water. So, number 9 question is the calculated draft in shallow water. So, tapos na tayo sa 1 to 9 question. Then, punta tayo sa last question niya, which is the required time in passing critical place, height of tides 6 meter. So, lagay natin 10.31 x 1600 8 hour, then 3.8 meter 6.0. So, saan ang galing yun? 6.0. So, siya ay given. Then, 10.8 meter. So, pag sinalb natin to, is, magiging sagot niya is 2.2. Then, dito naman is 7. So, yung kanina natin is 5.62. Pagpasensya nyo na po yung aking sulat, masyadong mapangit. Then, x 5.62, then 2.2, and 7. So, ito times lang natin sila ang dalawa. So, the answer is 5.62 times 2.2. The answer is 12.36 is equal to 7x. So, hindi siya pwedeng i-times or i-divide sa ganyang position. So, gagawin natin is 7 or 12 rather, x is equal to 12.36 7. So, ang sagot niya is 1.77. Then, paano to kasi walang ganitong di siya pwede sa hour. So, gagawin natin is ito times natin siya sa 60. Itong point lang niya. 77 times 60 is equal to 1 hour and 46 minutes. So, solve na natin siya. So, 1 hour and 46 minutes plus 10 hour and 17 minutes. So, the answer is 17, rather 12 hour and 17 minutes. So, 12 hour and 70 minutes is the required time in passing critical place, height of tide 6 meter. So, nakuha na natin yung 10 question. So again, I am Midshipman Bonifacio Junior Dinamo from NS185 and performing practical assessment number 3, which is solving for the height of the side, under clearance, and squat.